Hey guys, so I'm here trying to create a video of Nandi and Solomzi's wedding, and I just came across this clip. And if you can't see what's going on in the clip, this is Nandi busy with Sabelo a night after her wedding. And guys, what the hell is happening there on the City of the Enemy? Can someone please come and explain? Yo! Guys, let us talk about that and more here on this video. But before we start with this video, I would like to request you to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching it. Let's quickly start. Okay, now, so I'm here scrolling down my Facebook trying to find clips that will match, the wedding of Solomzi and Nandi. And I came across this clip. And you can see that uNandi is really enjoying Sabelo. So I'm asking myself, uNandi wenza yonke lento yenziwa lamantombazane walaphana kuSitha the Enemy engayithandi. Firstly, it was Nolita, not sleeping with everyone. Now Nandi. The only person whom I thought was Imbokodo of the group. The person whom I thought would never cheat. Now uchithela uSolomzi. And according to our knowledge, well, my knowledge to be precise, uNandi loves uSolomzi. uNandi would never cheat on uSolomzi. Why would Mandla N and his writers do this to us? I don't understand. uNandi wasn't supposed to be cheating. Was supposed to be that one girl that never cheats. But anyway, I'm really glad that Oprah SK is back on our TV screen. It looks a little bit different. Wait, man, this is what I want to understand from the first place. Between SK and Abdul, because at this point I really thought that Abdul was an older brother, SK was the younger brother. But now SK looks a little bit older than Abdul, and it doesn't matter. I'm really happy that SK is back on our screens, and I really hope that he'll stay for a little bit longer. I like his maturity, I think I like what Black Brain Pictures is trying to do to his character. It's more matured, like calm and everything. So guys, with all of that being said, do comment in the comment section, share thoughts, share opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.